Hello everyone, Lily here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram messages not sending. Basically, when you're on Insta and you go into your chats and you keep sending something and it doesn't go through, there are a few things you can do to make sure it works again. Let's go through those things now. First, I would consider leaving here and opening up a browser like Google Chrome to ensure that your internet connection is working well. You could simply load a couple of websites to check that everything is loading and functioning properly. So if that works, obviously your internet connection is fully working. The next thing I'll highly suggest is tapping on just this search bar up top and typing in, "Is Instagram down?" Just because a thing you might want to check out is, are Instagram servers down? And you can come here to this third-party website named Down Detector to figure that out. It is a solid solution. If this one shows no difficulties at Instagram, then Insta servers are not down. And that isn't the main reason why the messages aren't being sent, and when all of those things are working well, then I'll tell you the final option. So this will certainly work. So go to your settings, scroll down, and tap on apps. Then tap on the search bar up top and type in Instagram. Then tap that. Then tap on storage. And then tap on clear data. This will remove whatever corrupted files you do have, but it won't affect anything on your profile, like your comments, photos, videos, or any of that. This will somewhat just refresh the app. So that's about it. One of those things will fix your issue. If it did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Please let us know if you have any questions in the comments section below, and thanks for watching. Have a good day.